Meaning of firebug.
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 Firebug. The term firebug typically refers to a person who enjoys setting fires, often for personal gratification or entertainment. These individuals may have psychological issues related to pyromania or may simply enjoy the thrill of watching things burn. However, it's important to note that intentionally setting fires is dangerous and illegal, as it can cause significant damage to property and can even result in injury or loss of life. Anyone who suspects that they or someone they know may have tendencies towards arson or fire setting should seek professional help promptly to address these issues before they become more serious.